the banana buffet. Fourth floor. Apples.
The
Yeah.
baby, Hope. Hope, the baby.
Oh, the babies are all running.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. I've been doing this for days. I've had. Let me take a piece. Oh, we got a whole bunch. You got a teenager and two babies.
Don't take it out of his mouth, you fool. Don't do
There,
that.
yeah, dude.
Don't do that.
Okay, let's go. We gotta go.
Well, I'm in the adults only section. Really? That's a new noise. Hi, baby. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? You just hanging upside down there? You want this, don't you? Let me hook you up, man. One banana, two banana. There you go, my man. Check it out. This is one of the males, and he is king. He has chased everybody else off, and he is just grubbing that apple. He's already eaten two bananas, and he's not alone. He's there with a female. And there's another one on the other side. There's a whole bunch of babies. They're hanging out on every ledge. All the way up to the whole resort. There's two more there. This morning there were over 17 of them, including little babies. I think there were about 4 or 5 babies.